Of the most popular social media platforms for professionals with more than 500 million users worldwide. It is also a great place to build your credibility and authority. LinkedIn can be used to showcase your skills, but you have to be careful not to overdo it. Use LinkedIn for networking and getting connected with people who might be able to help you in some way or other. You never know where that connection might lead you. Also, use a professional tone in your post. It is important to show an effective reason for your presence on LinkedIn and why you should be taken seriously by not only your future employer but also your current colleagues. Do keep in mind that there are other people on LinkedIn beside you, and they may have better things going on than looking at your post. Make sure you aren't overwhelming them with too much material at once, and note that this is especially true if one person is posting multiple times per day. Stay active. If you don't put your best foot forward on your profile, those who follow you will see it as a lack of engagement and may stop following you, which is never good. Make effective use of keywords. Make sure your profile has relevant keywords so people can find what they are looking for. It is important to note that you are using relevant ones based on the type of content you are sharing and what kind of audiences it aimed at. You don't want to alienate anyone by using an inappropriate one.